Welcome to this guide on using the Time Review tile on the call administration screen to review time entries linked to a call. Time Review allows you to verify logged hours associated with a work order, call, or project. Please note that Time Review must be enabled in Nucleus Configurator by setting the Time Review flag to Yes. From the Service tab, click Call Administration. The screen opens in the default site of the logged-in user. Select the call you want to work with, then click the Time Review tile in the Links panel. The Time Not Billed screen opens. This screen consists of two main sections: the Work Order Data Grid and the SLA Data Grid. The Work Order Grid lists all work orders linked to the call and shows the employee's log time in the regular hours field. Clicking the Back button prompts a warning message if any changes haven't been saved. At the bottom of the screen, the Count row displays the number of rows in the data grid, as well as totals for regular, SLA, non-billable, and overall hours. Select the work order you want to review and assess the employee's logged hours. If the recorded time does not fully align with SLA coverage, allocate the hours between SLA and non-billable to ensure accuracy. As allocations are made, regular hours decrease automatically. When a call is linked to a contract, the SLA item details grid lists all inclusions tied to that contract, such as crafts, parts, and services. Only craft inclusions are affected by the time review process. Once the review is complete, the SLA details adjust accordingly. When a call is not associated with SLA time, the SLA panel remains blank. In these cases, regular hours logged on the work order usually remain unchanged, although some time may need to shift to non-billable. The overtime hours field is read-only and not affected by this time review process. The total hours field, also read-only, displays the combined total of regular, overtime, SLA, and non-billable hours. Although the billable field displays no, all reviewed regular hours are considered billable by default. Once a work order is closed, its time record is removed from this screen. Use the SLA Time button in the ribbon to quickly move all regular hours from selected rows into SLA hours. This is especially useful when working with several rows at a time. To select the rows you want, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking each row with your mouse, then click SLA Time in the ribbon. Click Yes on the input validation message to confirm the move for the selected items. The selected regular hours are then converted to SLA, and the rows are marked accordingly. When time allocations are complete, mark the work orders as reviewed by checking the Is Reviewed box or by clicking the Flag Reviewed button in the ribbon. The Flag Reviewed button is especially useful when reviewing multiple rows. Once the rows are selected, click the button. Click Yes on the input validation message to confirm flagging the selected items. After confirmation, the reviewed fields will be checked. Once you are satisfied with the time allocations and have double-checked your entries, click Save to capture the reviewed times. Click OK on the confirmation message that pops up, indicating the time review was successfully updated. From the ribbon, you can access key functions to streamline your workflow. Use the Invoice Work Order button to generate invoices for items associated with a selected work order. The Invoice Call button lets you invoice reviewed items linked to the call. To move between related records, use the navigation buttons for quick access to the associated work order and call. Any generated invoice for the call reflects all reviewed time entries captured during the process. Accurately reviewing time helps drive streamlined and effective operations. Businesses make better decisions with CO3 Nucleus.